Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can open the web browser on Nintendo Switch. So all you need to do is go to System Settings, then over here switch to Internet, and then go to the Internet settings. Select your network, go to Change Settings, and then change DNS to manual. Then you want to enter this DNS in the primary DNS. So you can pause the video and then write the DNS over here, then press OK, and then save. After you save it, make sure to go to connect to this network, since you will be disconnected after that. You'll see this information that registration is required to use this network. That's completely fine, go next. Now we will enter the SwitchBrew DNS. So what we need to do is simply go to Google over here, and then we can start searching. We can also go to enter URL, and then we can type the website page. For instance, if you want to, you can type netflix.com, and then you can load the page. And there we go. So that's how you can use the web browser. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!